I have watched this entire county be involved in manipulating and placing people into office, in pay for play, in giving builders jobs, favors for friends.
The Jaycee Park project was announced last May. By then, the City Council had spent $500,000 for the original plans. In October, it approved another $650,000 for updated plans.
I don't understand how they can spend $1 million on plans. There has to be something going on.
So I understand that after this, you receive this unsolicited proposal, you need to put out a formal bid. The time frame that you are allowed to give bidders is the minimum of 21 days, maximum of 120. I think in this case, the bidders were given 24 days.
They got $25,000 non-refundable there. That doesn't make a lot of sense. They just wanted to keep all the bidders out. I mean, how long does it take you to review plans? About 5 or 6 minutes?
So you have a $25,000 non-refundable application fee, but yet you only gave the responders 24 days to respond.
Why would they put it so high? For just looking at plans.
I also further understand that you did not receive any bids, any responses, other than the unsolicited bid that you originally received.
Probably these people knew there was an inside deal.
We are afraid you will sell this little park out to the unsolicited bidder whose name has not been revealed.
Once they start all this, they're going to do lots of different things all the time.
And why all the secrecy?
Why all the secrecy? Who got the license?
The RFP's been issued. Nobody responded. Why is it such a secret who you're dealing with?
Well, we found out by accident. I had a person call the city and they asked them if it was the same people that owned the boathouse. And they said yes.
Mr. Mayor, City Council members, the people of this city, including those that elected you, are not naive. The Food and Drug Bistro plan appears to be nothing more than smoke and mirrors. They'll ultimately fail and expose the true plan for a full-scale bar and restaurant, such as the Boathouse or the Overtime Sports Pub.
Less than a mile away, there's a private business building waterfront food truck park and dock slips. Let them incur those costs and the risk, not us taxpayers.
I don't want to have a bar in a park. And that's what they're going to do. They're destroying our parks. They're going to commercialize maybe all our parks.
It's simply an unwise and extravagant proposal to take a city property that is beloved by the local community and transform it into something that nobody really wants.
This is a sneaky deal, and this shows you exactly how the city operates.
I was told by one of the city employees that you have already spent over $1 million for the design to a company based in Philadelphia, who apparently opened an office here in Cape Coral in 2022 in what I believe is an attempt to make citizens think you hired a local company. You're playing games.
They make an office here, especially for these people. And then our plans cost over $1 million. I'm sorry, there's something fishy going here.
The cost of this destruction is not in the city budget. It is borrowed money that the public will have to repay with interest.
They're stealing the money from the people of Cape Coral. We want to get to all those records of everything they did, all the work they performed. Then I want to take all those records and put them out to 3 different companies and tell them, I want this to look at me and tell me what you would have charged for making these plans up. That's what we're going to do. And we'll see what the number comes in. And if the number comes in low enough, then we have to start looking at a criminal investigation here. We need to work together to make a change in Cape Coral, and that's what we're trying to do. So we want you to join our organization. We're putting all this together like this throughout the thing, educating the people of Cape Coral. That's our goal, to make a better Cape Coral.